Students, now I'm going to tell you about the self introduction. Now you are in first class, so we should know how to introduce ourselves. So it's your EVS chapter, and the chapter name is About Me. So we should always start with the self introduction with the hello. Hello, and first line would be my name is. Second line would be I study in class. Third line would be I am dash year old. Fourth line would be I live in dash. Fifth line would be my mother name is. And sixth line would be my father name is. It's a very easy self introduction. You just need to learn the spellings. I'll give you the example. I'll explain you the self introduction with the example. First line is my name is. So you can tell my name is Rohan. Second is I study in class. I study in class. First, I am dash year old. Maybe some students are 6 year old. Maybe some students are 7 years old. So you can tell your age according to you. So right now I'm taking it. I am 6 years old. Fourth line is I live in. Same thing. Many students live in DLF. Many students live in Ankur Bihar, SLF. So right now I'm just taking example. So I live in DLF. My mother name is Mrs. Riya Yadav and my father name is Mr. Ram Yadav. So student, this is the self introduction. It's a 6 line self introduction. It's a very easy. You just learn your name, your class, your age, your living place, your father name and your mother name. Few important things which you have to remember is always telling your father and mother name. You have to remember, you have to give always respect to your father and mother. So you have to always put Mrs. before your mother's name and Mr. before telling your father name. And after every ending, after every sentence ending, you have to put full stop. So these are the self introduction which you have to learn. Now I repeat these lines again. You have to start your self introduction with the hello, like hello, my name is Rohan Yadav. I study in class first. I am 6 years old. I live in DLF. My mother name is Mrs. Riya Yadav and my father name is Mr. Ram Yadav. Every sentence you have to take a pause. So these are the self-introduction sentences which you have to learn. Now I am giving you the homework related to this self-introduction exercise. For that, you have to do this activity in the A4 sheet like this. First, you have to paste your child photograph when you were born. Second, you have to paste your current photograph. And I want to know more thing about you. Like, I like to play, which is your favorite game. I like to eat, which is your favorite food. Yeah, my favorite fruit is, my favorite cartoon show is, and I like to wear. So this is your homework. You have to do this activity on A4 sheet and do this activity, and after that click the photograph and send it on the comment box. So till then, bye bye, take care.